Why is SQL considered one of the most valuable skills in the tech world today? Imagine unlocking doors to high-paying jobs, mastering the art of handling massive data, or making smarter business decisions all with one skill. SQL isn't just for tech enthusiasts. It's for anyone who wants to thrive in a data-driven world. Curious about how it can transform your career? Let's dive into the top 10 reasons to learn SQL today. Number 1. It's more than just a programming language. SQL isn't just for tech professionals. It's a powerful tool that goes beyond programming. Imagine being in marketing and analyzing the success of campaigns, or in sales, identifying trends in customer purchases, all with a few SQL queries. Finance professionals also rely on SQL for analyzing large datasets, saving hours of manual work. The beauty of SQL is its simplicity. You don't need a programming background to master it, yet its applications are vast. From creating reports to tracking performance, SQL empowers people in all kinds of roles to manage and understand their data efficiently. Whether you're in business, healthcare, or even education, SQL bridges the gap between technical data management and practical problem solving. Number 2, universal compatibility across data technologies. SQL acts as the common language for nearly every modern data technology. From relational databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL to data visualization tools like Tableau, most platforms rely on SQL or its variations. As technology evolves, SQL remains a foundational skill. Learning it ensures you can adapt to new tools and trends seamlessly. Whether you're working on data storage, analysis, or even cloud technologies, SQL knowledge is invaluable. Its versatility makes it one of the most future-proof skills you can have. Even if you change roles or industries, SQL remains relevant because data is universal. It's a skill that grows with you, making it essential for anyone looking to stay competitive in today's fast-paced tech world. Number 3, manage and analyze large datasets with ease. Handling data manually can be overwhelming, especially when dealing with millions of records. That's where SQL shines. It allows you to filter, sort, and manipulate massive datasets with a few simple commands. For instance, you can quickly find sales trends, update inventory, or retrieve customer information without scrolling through endless rows in a spreadsheet. As businesses generate more data than ever, the ability to manage it efficiently becomes a critical skill. SQL enables organizations to make data-driven decisions faster, saving both time and resources. Whether you're working with small teams or large corporations, mastering SQL equips you to tackle complex data challenges effortlessly, making you an invaluable asset to any workplace. Number 4, essential for data analytics. In the world of data analytics, SQL is king. It's a must-have skill for analysts who need to extract actionable insights from raw data. With SQL, you can quickly identify trends, measure performance, or answer strategic business questions. For example, imagine analyzing customer retention rates or calculating the ROI of a marketing campaign. SQL simplifies these tasks, even when the datasets are enormous. Its ability to process and organize data efficiently makes it a go-to tool for analysts across industries. Data analysts often use SQL to support key decisions that can impact an organization's growth and profitability. If you're considering a career in analytics, SQL isn't just helpful, it's essential. Number 5, supercharge your data mining capabilities. Data mining is all about discovering valuable patterns and insights within large datasets. SQL makes this process faster and more efficient. For instance, you can classify data, predict outcomes, or even forecast future trends using SQL-based tools. Picture a business forecasting stock prices based on historical data, or identifying customer behavior trends to improve marketing strategies. SQL also integrates with advanced data mining platforms, enabling operations like clustering, classification, and estimation. These techniques can help businesses stay ahead of the competition by making informed, proactive decisions. Whether you're working in business intelligence or academic research, SQL's data mining capabilities allow you to turn raw information into actionable knowledge. Number 6, a stepping stone to data science. Dreaming of a career in data science? SQL is your perfect starting point. Data scientists often work with relational databases, and SQL is the primary tool for managing them. Big data platforms like Hadoop and Spark rely on SQL-based APIs, making it essential for anyone entering the field. By learning SQL, you'll understand key concepts like joins, indexes, and subqueries, building blocks for more advanced data manipulation. SQL also makes it easier to transition into programming languages like Python and R, which are commonly used in data science. If you're serious about exploring patterns, solving problems, or making predictions with data, SQL is the first skill you should master on your journey. Number 7. Seamless client-server data access. In today's digital world, websites, apps, and services rely heavily on client-server architecture, and SQL is the linchpin of this interaction. Think about when you browse an e-commerce store or search for a flight. SQL is working behind the scenes to retrieve and deliver data instantly. It enables smooth communication between the client and the server. For developers, mastering SQL means gaining the ability to optimize database interactions, ensuring quick responses and efficient performance. SQL queries fetch the required data from servers, allowing for tasks like user authentication, data updates, or generating personalized recommendations. This efficiency is critical for providing users with seamless and intuitive experiences. Whether you're a web developer, app creator, or IT professional, understanding SQL's role in client-server dynamics equips you to build faster, more reliable systems. Number 8. Fast and efficient data retrieval. When time is of the essence, SQL's ability to retrieve data quickly and accurately becomes a game changer. Imagine working with a database containing millions of rows, and within seconds, SQL delivers precisely what you need. Businesses rely on this efficiency for tasks like generating sales reports, tracking customer orders, or monitoring performance metrics. SQL's optimization techniques, such as indexing and query structuring, allow for lightning, fast data processing, even with complex queries. Its ability to filter, sort, and aggregate data in real time ensures that operations remain smooth and decision-making stays swift. Moreover, SQL's speed isn't just about convenience. It's about giving organizations a competitive edge in a data-driven world. By mastering SQL, you'll gain the power to navigate and manage large datasets effortlessly, saving time and resources while boosting productivity across industries. Number 9. Simple troubleshooting and debugging. Learning SQL is not only straightforward, but also forgiving when it comes to troubleshooting errors. If you make a mistake, SQL provides clear and easy-to-understand error messages, guiding you to the issue. For instance, if you reference a non-existent table or misspell a command, SQL will tell you exactly what's wrong. This makes the learning process smoother, especially for beginners. Additionally, SQL supports exception handling, allowing you to write robust queries that account for potential issues. Its simplicity and clarity make SQL a great choice for learners of all levels, ensuring you can focus on solving problems without getting bogged down by complex syntax or cryptic error messages. Number 10. Unlock high-paying job opportunities. SQL isn't just a skill. It's a ticket to lucrative career opportunities. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, SQL expertise is in high demand. Jobs requiring SQL span industries like finance, marketing, healthcare, and tech. Roles such as SQL developer, data analyst, and business intelligence specialist often come with competitive salaries. According to PayScale, SQL developers earn an average of $73,000 annually, and this figure only grows with experience. By mastering SQL, you position yourself as a valuable asset to employers, opening doors to exciting roles and career growth. Whether you're just starting or looking to upskill, SQL is a smart investment in your future. SQL is more than just a skill. It's a game changer for anyone navigating today's data-driven world. Whether you're aiming for a high-paying job, looking to enhance your career, or simply want to understand data better, SQL is the answer. If you're ready to start your journey, check out Dr. Cecilia Allison's SQL courses at jaffeinc.com and subscribe to her SQL YouTube channel to learn SQL via her SQL tutorial and for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.